You know that sound. The sound of your cat yakking up a hairball. Cats are meticulous groomers, and even brushing them daily, they still have hairballs. Hairballs happen because either the hair cannot move through the digestive tract or your cat is ingesting too much hair. Good hydration can help your cats to not have as many hairballs. I have some excellent wet cat food recipes on the channel. I hope that you'll check those out. There are many hairball remedy products on the market, but you can make it here at home with 7 ingredients instead of this long list that you will find on commercial products. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I hope that you will like this hairball remedy, and when you do, you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications. Also, share this video with your friends who are cat owners. Also, I want to thank you for the comments that you have given us. Those help me a lot, and I love the engagement and reading them. Follow along with me for this easy, vet approved hairball remedy. To start this recipe, grab your parchment paper and also a cookie tray, and measure your parchment paper to the size of your cookie tray and then set it aside. Grab a medium-sized mixing bowl and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This recipe uses 1¼ cup of brown rice flour, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The fiber and the oil in this recipe is what will help your cat to get that hairball through their digestive tract. You need 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. That flaxseed will also bring lots of really good omegas to your cat. A 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie, pumpkin puree. 2 tablespoons of water. I'm just using filtered tap water. And 1 teaspoon of catnip. Now the catnip is optional. Make sure that you check out down in the description. I have a couple pros and cons down there for you on this catnip. And then you will just mix all of this together. This is going to look like a shaggy dough. After you get it all mixed together, use your hand and press it together. And then you're going to wrap it in plastic wrap. I'll get it out in a minute, baby. And we're going to let it rest. Just like regular dough for about 5 minutes. Our dough has rested for about 5 minutes. And to prepare to roll this out, you'll need a rolling pin, a little bowl with some water in it, a pizza cutter, and I've got a little bit of flour just in case we stick. Grab that piece of parchment paper that you cut earlier, put it on your work table, and now we're going to open the dough up and we're going to start rolling this out. You will want it rolled to about 1/4 inch thick. Of course, I've got to do it with my hands a little bit first. I kind of like the feel of dough. I make lots of breads as well. I have got this flattened a lot with just my fingers, and this dough feels so good, guys. Now I'm going to get my rolling pin. I'm going to put just a little bit of flour on it, just to keep it from sticking, and we're going to give this a roll. We have this rolled out. I'm going to throw this over in the sink, and I'm going to come back and we're going to start cutting it. Grab your cookie stick and put your parchment paper with your dough on it right on the stick. Next, you're going to get your pizza cutter. What we are going to be doing is cutting this in a grid. It will be small pieces for those treats to your cat. So you're going to go this way and then this way. It's going to be a grid. Now, what you're going to do with this water, as you're cutting your treats, your hairball remedy, It may start sticking. If it does, you're going to rinse it off in this water and keep cutting. This is going in the oven for 10 minutes. Now, 10 minutes isn't the full cooking time, but hang out with me. I'll tell you what we do after 10 minutes. After the first 10 minutes, pull from the oven, grab yourself a spatula, and what we're going to do is separate our cat's hairball remedy. These are all separated. We're going to put this back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden brown. Our hairball remedy is out of the oven and it has cooled. Now I'm going to bring Zena in here and let her try these. And also, I want to tell you how to store them. Zena seems to like these, and I know that they're going to help with her hairballs without having those commercial products that have so many ingredients and preservatives in them. You can store these hairball treats on the counter in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for 4 to 6 weeks, or you can freeze them. I hope that you will try this hairball remedy in your home. Also, hope that you will try some of the other pet recipes and human recipes that we have on the channel. Guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share this with your cat owners, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Also, don't forget, add me a comment down there. Until next time, stir the pot.